The 2013 LaCrosse. The Buick LaCrosse has a quiet interior, steady and supple ride, and responsive handling. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, heated seats, Harman Kardon sound system, remote engine start, OnStar, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, premium wheels, traction control, dual airbags, four-wheel ABS, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, air conditioning, front, driver lumbar, power steering, front wheel drive, front floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.